He sounds like Scooby-Doo. Or no, Shaggy, that's what I meant.
Right, yeah.
Totally, yeah. Right. Doody-doody-doo. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shoot. Started.
Well, it is lighting up.
It's already on 3 minutes? Oh no, this is like...
Yeah.
Sneaky.
He is sneaking motherfucker. Hey, caught in a rainstorm.
Caught in a rainstorm. Oh, that's my favorites. We're getting hungry.
We're hungry, yeah.
We're starting to get really...
Oh shit!
Oh shit, Mom, we get it. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Don't go down there, Ken. Stop.
Stop.
Not go down there, Ken. Get up here. No.
No.
Get up here.
Watch out!
Shit.
Stay up here.
Guys, go up. Mom, hurry.
Don't bother. Leave it. Dad, you leave it. Leave it. I'm not going anywhere. Stop it.
Go up, please!
I know.
Are you getting pictures of it?
You want a picture of it?
Get up here.
See the erosion? The erosion doesn't happen on this side. We're good here. That shit. Get it fiber. You can hit the black shit. That's fucking awesome. Here just happened to be. We're good. Oh my god. This is what they say will happen.
Right here, Daddy!
Flash.
We're okay.
It happened. It happened. It happened to us.
We're all okay.
All the flash.
I have to pee.
Watch it.
I heard it. I was like, oh, fuck.
So it's rained really hard up there.
Daddy, you called it.
This flash worked through.
Yeah. I got all of it, Mama. Oh my God.